Hey guys, this is one of the good ones.
To build artificial intelligence, systems that can interact with people in smarter, safer, and more useful ways, we need to teach them to adapt to our needs.
While Meta, formerly known as Facebook, said these words during presentation their chatbot BlenderBot, it seems that this bot follows its agenda and has no loyalty for their master. There has been a lot of controversy around such bots, which does not help making them less weird. Expectations were off the roof, which, considering who owned it, it was expected. Duh. Everyone was ready for a groundbreaking product and nearly no one on the planet thought otherwise. Ironically, it sucked. Firstly, you need to understand that this product was described so alive that while answering questions, it learns details about users' accent. You see, accent and order of questions in many levels, and Meta warned people not using strong or violent language while using it, which led to even more demands for this bot. Typically, people were curious about it, and Meta, causing more hype, obviously, did not shut up. But in day zero and in a couple of hours, disaster happened. Reports from around the globe surfaced mentioning weak, unrelated, and not sensible answers. One reported the bot mentioned a statement about Genghis Khan worthy of receiving an Oscar for his act. Well, personally, I would love to see him attending the ceremony. He might even get a slap from Will Smith. Who knows? This bot was such a visionary. But in more serious terms, it seemed that this bot presented its worst answer while needing to using long sentences. It led conversation to a long talk while showing no sign of understanding the concept of original question. Note that normally an AI-based bot uses short sentences and in many cases provides answers such, "I do not understand the question," or something like that. There are some samples received answers from BlenderBot. Just go for it. Which none of them is as interesting as its answer regarding Mark Zuckerberg, owner and founder of Meta. The thing is, this bot has become nothing more than a machine with very limited capability of understanding, which tries so hard to satisfy its user by any means really. While we cannot be sure its comment was a malfunction or a hidden joke in bot's hidden cores, one thing that is undeniable is the witnessing a growth in learning capability of modern bots, and despite existence of bots such BlenderBot, majority of them presented outstanding results in real-world situations. In the end, do not forget bots can be dumb or even racist. Yes, that's a thing, we may talk about it later, but laugh as much as you want, these nasty things might one day remove us from face of the earth. So basically, yeah, we are doomed. Thanks for watching. We are hoping you have a wonderful day, and please do not destroy any smart system around you. You should, but better not. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. We'll talk about technology and artificial intelligence every week. Take care and bye-bye.